Hi, Carrie Obedzinski. I'm the Business Development Manager here at Times Microwave Systems. This is Real Times. It's our bi-weekly vlog, and we talk about industry trends, hot topics, new products, and ask some technical questions of our experts. And today I have Dave Kiesling. He is our Director of Commercial Sales. And we thought we'd talk about some of this uncertainty and what we're doing behind the scenes as a company to support our customers.
Security of supply, what does that mean? We want redundancy in manufacturing. So if you look at our manufacturing footprint, it has expanded considerably in the past couple of years, not only here in the United States, but globally and across products. So, for instance, we have now opened up a new manufacturing plant for cables. So we have redundancy in cable manufacturing here in the United States, along with production in China, so that for a lot of our products, we can make them anywhere. And so if there's an issue, we got it covered. Not only that, we're looking across continents and so forth. We're really proud to announce that we just opened up manufacturing in India. So we have cable assembly manufacturing there. We're actually building up our connector design and sourcing in India, so we're going to become almost self-sufficient there to go along with it. So you look at it, we have not only alternatives in production based for product, but in location. And the nice thing is, it allows us to draw on expertise across the globe. You know, again, you look at India, they have fantastic technical universities. So, you know, we can bring in those bright engineers there, along with maybe Mesa and here. So it really opens up our world for bringing in talent to then, and they see what we're doing on the investment side, because they look at it and say, hey, I want to be a part of a company that's investing and growing, and we demonstrate that. We're investing and growing in our company. And so we're very excited about that. It's challenging, and it's not the time that we'd like. You know, it'd be great if we could all get together and have our big sales meetings and go see all these people, but you know, we still have to manage and adapt, and we're investing a lot to be able to do that.
Well, it sounds like Times never sleeps.
That's actually one of the things. How do you make sure that we design something, we can hand it off? I know people talk about that. That was a trend for 10 or 15 years ago about how you can, you know, handle these programs. But it might not be that we take the same work effort and go from place to place, but we're always working on cables and connectors. And it's kind of exciting, and I think that just is exponentially growing with our expertise.
Well, thank you for tackling this subject with us today. I appreciate your insight.
Thank you.
Real Times is the place to meet the experts, find out the latest industry trends, and keep up with cutting RF technology, as well as learning more about Times Microwave Systems. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click the bell below, you'll get updates on our new episodes. And if you have a question, you can leave it below, or you can email us at realtimes@timesmicro.com. That's REEL. If you've enjoyed the video, please like it and share. And finally, until next time, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.